Hey guys, my name is Joshua Chavez, and today I got an amazing find at the thrift store. It's original PS1 with all the original controls and stuff, you know, like the serial port and stuff. And we have everything for it. We have the controller and stuff. This thing, as you see, it's a little bit broken, but it still works. And right here, I took it apart, and it's amazing. And it says do not touch his stuff. No, okay, I touched it. Look, you don't want to really touch it. I don't know. This probably hasn't been powered up in years. As you see, look, you got all these resistors and stuff, and then you got the disk drive, and it's very thin for its shell. It's pretty amazing. And I think I want to take it apart a little bit more. So let's see what we can do. Let's see. Now this is good if you want to see how thin it is to make like portables and stuff, which I know people don't care about. This is so hard. Look at all this dust on here. Look, there's like a bunch of dust. Yeah, make sure that you put the right screws with the right screws and stuff. Now, my NES taken apart, I have a video on it. Took apart an NES, but it's on my iPad, and my iPad is not working for some reason. It works, but like it's just crazy. Oh my gosh! I hope I didn't break anything. You never want to touch that thing. Forget it, I'm about to tilt it over. Oh my gosh, that came apart. Like, no, that... Just skirt... No, just... Forget it. It's so dusty and old. This thing is... It was made in 1999, if I'm wrong. If I'm not wrong. It says June 1999. But yeah, that's a lie. It came out in 1994. It's probably like a new PlayStation 1. Can't do this anymore. I'm sorry guys, you got to wait. This is how hard it is. No. I'm not gonna take apart the two screws right here. You gotta be really. You gotta take this apart first. Don't wake me up. Oh my god. There's something really wrong taking this thing apart. Yeah, that's probably the reason. I gotta unplug like 10 things, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's medically I'm sorry guys. No, I'm kidding, I didn't break it. Yeah. There's a motherboard, not half bad. If you want to make a portable, it's possible. It's pretty possible, except for one thing. The power, it takes 120 volts in, and there's not like a power brick to where you can plug in like 10 volts or something. There's like capacitors and stuff. You see those silver things? I don't know if I can focus. Okay, see those things? The same thing used on Raspberry Pi. Too much dust. Sony, this is right here. It says Sony computer, Sony everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean this up, okay? And it says, there is a warning that to shock yourself. So thank you guys for joining me. See you later. God bless and bye.